Hi, and welcome to this podcast. My name is Wendy Wild, and I'm delighted to have the opportunity to tell you about our new undergraduate programme, the BSc Business Accounting, that we're introducing here in the Alliance Manchester Business School at the University of Manchester. I'm going to tell you about the programme, the university, PricewaterhouseCoopers, or PwC as you might know them, and a little bit about the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, more often referred to as the ICAEW. And most importantly, I'm going to tell you how you can get onto this degree programme. This is a collaborative programme between ourselves, the University of Manchester, which is a Russell Group university here in the UK, PricewaterhouseCoopers, who you'll have heard of as they're the leading firm of accountants in the world, and the ICAEW, who oversee the globally recognised professional qualification for chartered accountants. By doing this degree, you'll gain a degree from a prestigious university, work experience at PwC, and 12 exemptions from the ICAEW. This is the maximum number of exemptions you can achieve, and it means you'll only have a further 3 exams to complete after graduation. So you can really fast track your career by being successful on this programme. Our aim here at the university is not just to tell you what accountancy is about and how to carry out the technical aspects, but more importantly why accounting is the way it is today, and as future accountants give you the critical and analytical skills to take the profession forward and equip you with the knowledge to have a successful career as a chartered accountant. We were able to deliver our aim as the teaching staff in the Division of Accounting in the Business School are all passionate about their subjects and highly regarded professors in their own right. This slide has a few photographs of those eminent professors and includes Professor Anne Stafford, who advises the British government on public finance initiatives, Professor Stuart Turley, who is a member of the European Auditing Research Network, Professor Chris Humphrey, who is a board member of the ICAEW and has received the Distinguished Academic Award for his contribution to UK academic accounting. And finally, Professor Ken MacPhail, who works with the United Nations on Human Rights and has an interest in ethics for accountants. This is a new programme and uses some traditional methods of teaching as you'd expect at any university, but these are enhanced through the use of technology to give you some blended learning experience. The assessment is predominantly in the form of examinations, as this is a requirement of the ICAEW. But alongside these, you'll undertake coursework in the form of essays, presentations, both as an individual and as a member of a group. The degree also includes the opportunity for you to gain experiential learning whilst on placement at PwC, when you can apply all of the theory and skills you have gained from the programme. All of the teaching and learning is designed not only to increase your knowledge, but also develop those personal skills essential in the workplace and for a successful career as an accountant. This is a 4-year programme. In Year 1, you'll be based here at the university, embracing enjoying life as a full-time student and taking your first exams that count towards your professional qualification. During that year, you'll meet PwC to decide where you will be going on placement. For most people, this will be Manchester. In Year 2, you will continue your academic studies between September and the end of March, after which you'll go on an 18-week placement with PwC in their audit department, working with a number of their clients. As the number of teaching weeks are reduced in your second term, it will be intense, so be ready to work hard, but fear not, we are there to support you along the way. Year 3 of the programme has the same structure as Year 2, and during this year you'll be completing your professional level examinations for the ICAEW. In Year 4, you'll be doing a longer placement from January to mid-May. By this time, you'll have had lots of work experience at PwC, so you'll be given more challenging roles working with their clients. In your final year at university, you'll get the chance to do some option courses and be expected to do a project which is similar to a dissertation. This is an overview of the structure of the programme. You do not need to have any knowledge of accounting or business to come onto this programme. We will teach you what you need to know in your first year and give you some solid foundations to build on in subsequent years. As you can see, the syllabus in Year 1 is quite broad, and then in Year 2 and 3 the topics are much more accounting and finance related, allowing you to gain those ICAEW exemptions. As I've said, in your final year you will undertake a large financial analysis project where you'll be able to draw on all of your previous knowledge and experience. As you've demonstrated that you're a high caliber student by coming on to the programme, it is anticipated that you will achieve a 2-1 degree or above. This will give you the opportunity to be offered a graduate job with PwC and move forward to complete your final 3 ICAEW examinations and become a chartered accountant. The programme may sound hard and a bit daunting, but fear not, there are lots of support in place to help you. Whilst at university, I'm here as the programme director to help you, as well as your lecturers, and you'll be given an academic advisor who'll be there for personal support. Whilst working at PwC, you'll be supported by the university's placement officer and PwC staff, including your own career coach and a buddy who is a trainee accountant like you. And obviously, you can always contact me while you're on placement. The ICAEW is a globally recognised professional accounting body with nearly 200,000 members, many of whom work for the FTSE 100 company as a CEO or a finance director. So you can see a career as a chartered accountant can take you to some impressive places. But to get there, you'll need to undertake training that encompasses 4 elements. First of all, you'll have to have practical work experience. You'll need to record 450 days of relevant on-the-job work experience, for which your placement periods can count substantially. You'll need to have passed exams in accountancy, finance and business. You'll have to have developed ethical and professional skepticism, and you'll be able to demonstrate 7 key professional skills such as communication, team working and decision making. This is an overview of the ICAEW qualification, and after graduation you'll only have the advanced level exams to complete. So the big question is this degree for me? Do you have a burning desire to be a chartered accountant? Have you got ambition and drive? Have you got the right entry qualifications? Do you want to live in Manchester? Are you resilient with a strong work ethic? Have you said yes to the above, then this could be the programme for you. The entry requirements are 3 A's at A level or the equivalent. And if you've got any questions about your qualifications and the relevance for this programme, please get in contact or go on to our website www.alliancembs.ac.uk/UG/requirements. How to apply? Well, this is a 2-stage application process. First, you must get a conditional offer from the University of Manchester. Then once you've received this, you'll be given access to the PwC recruitment process through their website. You'll undertake a series of online tests, including situational judgment tests and psychometric assessments, and you'll be asked to be involved in a video interview. Following the successful completion of these online tests, you'll take part in an assessment day, either in person at Manchester University or virtually. All of the PwC recruitment process is based on their core values to ensure that you're a good fit for the firm and you can have a successful career with them. The Alliance Manchester Business School also awards 10 scholarships per annum. These are social responsibility scholarships and are available to all students and are worth £2,000 per year across the 3 years of study. Students must achieve 3 A's at A level and demonstrate a significant commitment to social responsibility through either volunteering, charity work, community-based projects or fundraising. In addition, there is what we call International Stellar Scholarships worth £2,000. So if you think you could be eligible for one of these, please go on our website www.alliancembs.manchester.ac.uk/UG/scholarship and good luck with your application. Please stay in touch if you've got an interest in this programme. And if you've got any further queries or need to know more information, please go on the Business School website or the PwC website, or alternatively you can email me and I'll try and answer any queries that you have.